Okay, Bernoulli's equation. So, dito naman, halos parehas lang sila nung linear. Ang pinagkaiba lang is, this time, yung Q, may kasama na po siyang y raised to n. Okay, provided na dapat yung n natin dito is what? N should not be equal to 0 and 1. Okay? So, kasi pag ang n is 0, hindi na po siya Bernoulli. Magiging ano na po siya? Magiging linear. Okay? Pero pag y raised to 1 or y raised to 1, pagdating dito, kasi we have a solution dito No, yung y raised to 1 minus n. So, ang mangyayari niyan, parang wala yung essence. Okay? Ayan. Okay? So, parang magiging 0 lang yung resulta. So, parang ganun. Okay? Ayan. So, 1 minus 1, magiging 0 yan. So, magiging 1 lang yan. So, parang hindi makakamdaman, guys. Okay? And wala kang possible na solution na makukuha. Okay? So, ayun lang naman. Then, tignan maigi yung integrating factor at solution. So, dun sa integrating factor, compared po dun sa linear, naglagay lang tayo ng 1 minus n. Yung n na yan yung exponent ng y sa tabi ng q. Okay? So, kaya dito, kinakailangan na dapat ma-express nyo siya kung Bernoulli's yung gagamitin nyo. Okay? Ma-express nyo siya dyan sa ganyang standard form. Then, pagdating sa solution, yung y, instead na y lang, naging y raised to 1 minus n. Tapos, instead na diretso na kagad sa integral ng q, may 1 minus n pa. Okay? And then, after that, kung ano naman, kung x as a function of y or in terms of dx over dy, so dito, maglalagay lang po tayo ng x raised to n o meron lang pong x raised to n dito sa may tabi ng q, and then you will have this integrating factor and a solution for this Bernoulli's equation. Example here on Bernoulli's equation, we have y multiplied by 6y squared minus x minus 1 dx plus 2x dy. So dahil po mas lamang yung dx, mas marami yung yung term na naglalaman ng dx kaysa sa dy. Therefore, susundin natin itong standard form na to for Bernoulli's equation. So all you have to do, dahil merong 2x dito nakatabi ni dy, so we have to divide that both sides by 2x, then kasama na rin ang dx. Then after that, ito na po ang mangyayari. Ayan. So yung 6y squared, dahil dinivide mo sa 2x, naging 3y squared over 2. Or x, I mean. Yung x, nung dinivide sa 2x, naging minus 1 half. Tapos yung minus 1, naging negative 1 over 2x. Then ayusin mo lang. So ang gawin mo na lang, i-multiply mo lang both sides, yung y, or yung y, dito sa, or i-distribute mo bale. Ngayon, you have dy over dx plus 3y cube over x minus y over 2 minus y over 2x is equal to 0. Now, if you're going to follow this, so malalaman natin dito sino yung magiging q at yung p. Ngayon, yung may y raised to n, okay, other than 0 and 1, so ito, let's say itong 3y cube over x, ilipat natin sa right side. Tapos yung mga naiwan na may y, yun yung matitira dito na magsisilbi bilang p. Ayan, so napansin nyo po yung p natin dito is negative quantity 1 half plus 1 over 2x, or pwede rin po na yung p natin will be this one. Negative 1 half times 1 plus 1 over x. Tapos dito, yung ating q is si negative 3 over x. No? So si negative 3 over x. Tapos yung exponent po ng y sa tabi ng q is n is equal to 3. Ayan. Then after that, diretso ka na po sa pagkuha ng nung mga kailangan like integrating factor. So, integrating factor natin, e raised to integral of 1 minus n times p dx. So, yung ating n is 3. So, we have 1 minus 3. Then dito, negative 1 half. Tapos 1 plus 1 over x dx. Ngayon, ito, ano bang sagot natin sa 1 minus 3? Siyempre, 1 minus 3 is negative 2, di ba? Tapos, pag minultiply mo sa negative 1 half, ang magiging resulta lang naman ay siyempre, magiging 1, di ba? Negative 2 times negative 1 half. So, that's why ito, magiging na lang? Magiging 1 na lang. So, kaya, pagdating dito sa may integral na, nawala na yung fraction. Nawala na yung negative 2 at saka yung negative 1 half dahil pag pinagsama sila, magiging 1 lang. Tapos i-integrate mo lang yung 1 magiging x, yung 1 over x magiging ln of x. Then use the separation of the powers, e raised to x times e raised to ln of x. Cancel ang e at saka ln, ang natira x e raised to x. Yan. Then after that, proceed ka na dun sa ating solution para po sa Bernoulli's equation. So ang gagamitin lang natin is yung y raised to 1 minus n times the integrating factor equals sa 1 minus n times the integral of q times the integrating factor dx plus c. Okay, 1 minus 3 o yung y raised to 1 minus 3 magiging y raised to negative 2. Nilagay na yung x e raised to x as a integrating factor. Okay, 1 minus 3, negative 2. Dito kung titignan natin guys, since yung q natin is negative 3x at ang ating integrating factor ay x e raised to x, so pwede tayong mag-cancel dyan. And then ang matitira na lang is negative 3 e raised to x. Ngayon, syempre yung sa may right side, i-multiply mo lang, diba? So you will have 6 tapos integral ng e raised to x dx. However, syempre alam naman natin ang integral ng e raised to x is still e raised to x. Tapos para mawala na lang yung y raised to negative 2, ay dinivide both sides by y squared. Yan. So that ang answer na natin dyan is x e raised to x equals 6y squared e raised to x plus cy squared. So yan po yung pagdating sa Bernoulli's differential equation.